So after doing some audio testing, I've noticed a few things with this Miva speaker. So even though it has been made for camping live, so it has this like light inside, it's pretty bright actually. And you also have like a warm yellow tune, so in case you don't want to like white light, this is also a possibility. So if you look inside, you can see here some LEDs inside, and if you switch the color, you have some other LEDs that are turning on. Maybe they could have done a little bit more with more colors, for example, but I do think that the overall quality looks very nice and a very even lighting. And the audio quality is also very surprisingly not bad. It sounds good, it sounds full. It doesn't really have like a very much punchy bass or low bass like maybe the Wildbox. But for camping, so for on the go and for like carrying around, you can even put on a tripod. It's a fine sound, really. It's not bad, and it can go pretty loud without too much distortion. And I do love this grill, like it's a little bit the same grill material as the Wildbox. So yeah, overall, very good impression. And yeah, let's see how it performs compared to some other speakers in this kind of size. I'm not sure which one, I still have to figure out. But yeah, it's not a very bad speaker. Definitely not. And the light is cool to have and very responsive.